Before we get started, I want to know what you think about Members Plus. Tell me in the comment section on whether or not you think Members Plus is worth it. Members Plus is a Discord bot that advertises it as a way to get your Discord server hundreds of members in minutes, guaranteed. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Members Plus to see if this is really true and if Members Plus is really worth it for your Discord server. So what is Members Plus? Members Plus is a bot that you can add into your Discord server, and it works on the principle of join for join. Join for join is basically where someone will join your Discord server, and in return, you join their Discord server. Now, there's many places where you can do this. However, Members Plus was one of the first bots that automated this process. It actually tracked it to make sure that people were actually joining the servers, and it would reward them coins based on if they stay in the server. So that brings up a question. Are the members that Members Plus brings into your server actually useful? Will they talk? Will they interact? Or will they even be interested in your server? I'm gonna hop into Discord and analyze a few servers that actually use Members Plus, and based on that, let's find out if it's actually worth it. Alright, so this is Members Plus. Its tagline is get hundreds of members in minutes guaranteed. This Discord bot allows you to grow your server like crazy. And now the key word we need to identify here is what they mean by grow. Now, according to their quick start guide, essentially what you have to do is first do fine. After doing that, you need to join some of these Discord servers. You can also talk and gain certain levels that will reward you with coins. Now, 1 coin will result in 1 member. So let's say you join 10 servers. Each server will reward you with 1 coin, aka 1 member. Now, this seems pretty good, right? It takes a few minutes to join some servers and you get some members in return, as well as some activity. These members will be talking, right? Well, actually, from my analysis, no. As you can see in this graphic right over here, people are only rewarded with a maximum of 0.55 coins even after hitting level 9 by talking. That means by spending a lot of time talking, which is pretty boring actually if you're not interested in the server, you can gain a maximum of half a member. Whereas if you just join servers, which takes a matter of seconds, you gain 0.5 or even sometimes 1 coin each time. To illustrate this better, let's actually take a look at some server that's used Members Plus in the past. Now, the current staff and owner of this server are really cool, but in the past, this server used to have an owner that used the Members Plus Discord bot. This server was gaining members extremely quick, and it hit I think around 6,000 people. Now let's say I'm a random member and I see this server that has 6,000 people. I'm interested in it because it's about creation and social media. I decide to join and I expect a pretty active chat. After all, there's 6,000 people here. But what do I see? There's only a few messages being sent every single day. This in turn makes me an inactive member. I don't feel like becoming staff here because it's so inactive, and I think that there's something fishy going on because there's so many members but none are talking. Now, this server ended up dropping around 3,000 of those members. They had to purge it because the server had used Members Plus in the past to gain fake members, and this actually made the server very inactive in the end. While it may seem like a ton of people are joining your server, it's not actually that helpful. In addition, Members Plus kind of locks you into this permanent struggle and loop. As you guys can see over here, there's a reimbursement for users leaving, and Jay, who is the developer of this bot, gained 6 coins from that. Now, this basically meant that there was 6 to 12 people who left the server. And over here, it's pretty hard to see, but there's 329 pages of these logs. Now, I feel like this locks people into a loop. They use Members Plus to gain the members, people then leave, and then they have to use the Members Plus bot again to gain those members back. This is honestly a waste of time time, and there's so many more productive things that you could be doing for your server. In addition, based on what I've seen, Members Plus seems to make the servers inactive. When new users join and see a dead chat, they're not very interested in what the server has to offer. Based on that, what's my suggestion? Well, I mean, Members Plus will gain you these hundreds of members, but they'll be inactive, leading to your server to be dead. It demoralizes your staff and you'll be less interested to stay in your Discord server yourself. In addition, people on Discord can only join a maximum of 100 servers. Your servers list is gonna get cluttered really easily, and eventually you're gonna have to start leaving these servers, which results in your own balance on Members Plus being deducted. I think that the idea behind this bot was pretty positive, and they did their best to try to make this a legitimate way to grow your Discord server. But in the end, my final conclusion is no, it's not worth it. So now I have a question for you. Do you use Members Plus? Leave a comment down below. I hope you guys found this helpful. If it did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. With that guys, I'll see you in the next one.